Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing the ABH golden ratio on this side of my face and letting you guys know if it's really worth it, if they really know what they're talking about, if that is actually a good method. I don't know, we'll find out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching or even clicking on this video. Hope you're here to stay, so be sure to subscribe and also check out my shop. Yeah, do that, and yeah, leave all comments in the comment section because that's what it's there for, and let me know what you think about this video, or if you try the ABH golden ratio method. Let your girl know what you think. So yeah, cool. Anastasia, this is my cream contour kit, which I love, but I've been using the Fenty Matchstick in Espresso lately. So, I don't know which one I'm going to use. But I think for my regular routine, I'm going to use the Fenty Matchstick because that's what I've been using lately. And for the golden ratio side, I'm going to do the cream contour kit to show you guys how I use that. So, first off, we're going to put some concealer on. And the golden ratio method for this, I don't think there was anything specific. It's just that you have your Zone 1 is like the forehead to the bottom of the brow. Zone 2 is like the eyes to the tip of the nose. And then Zone 3 is the nose and jaw. So, I like to bring my concealer in my nose. In my Zone 2 and 3 to cover up any darkness around there. Oh man, I just put that on the wrong side. Oh no, there's no specific. So, this part is a-okay to do. I'm going to bring that concealer like right about where the brow starts on the golden ratio side. It's going to be placed a bit more strategically on this side of my face. Then we're going to do a strip down the nose and one on the forehead. I'm going to use my Tarte Quickie sponge. Oh, there's an anti haul coming up, by the way. These brands are really just asking for it at this point. I don't do hauls often because I don't buy a lot of makeup in one shot the way a lot of these other gurus do, or people on YouTube that buy makeup. I don't buy it all in one shot like that. I buy my makeup when things release or when there's something out that I've wanted for a while and I'll just be like, you know what, now's the time, just go get it. So I don't really do those. The anti-hauls are fun because it's like, this company came out with what? I'm going to tell you why I don't want it. I usually use the Fenty Matchstick. This is new. I've been using the cream contour from Anastasia, but I got this and I like it. So I've been using it on my forehead. And then I'll put some on the temple, some here, and then I bring it down the jaw. And now you see I keep it at maybe the top of the tip of my nose and then the corner of my mouth. So I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to come back and do the golden ratio side of my face. Okay, so that's that side of my face. And so golden ratio kind of brings it up a bit. It's a bit different. Okay, so I'm going to go with my stippling brush. I'm going to go into Carob. And so it says to put it on the temple. I'm just going to blend that in, but not the top of the forehead. So we're just putting it there. And then you want to keep it, and then next you want to keep your contour in zone 2. So we're starting up here by like this, by the corner of the eye, and bringing it down to the center of the nose, to the nose. So we're keeping it in that zone 2 area. I might have just did something. And I'm just contouring. I'm using a stippling brush and dipping into Carob from the cream contour kit and just putting that in my zone 2. And so everyone's zone 2 is different, which is why those, like, you want to map it out on your own face. And I can see the difference. I don't know if you guys can. Basically, my contour is up here, and on this side of my face it's kind of low. So Anastasia might have just beat me with my own cheek contour. Look at that! Wow! Just want a little more pigment. Just to like really make, wow. That actually looks really good. Oh wow, I need to do this more often. Look at that. This is cool and all, but this is a contour. I've been doing it all wrong. So, I might just wipe my contour off, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep it. And so what I'm going to do next is go in with my Laura Mercier powder and set under my eye. I just kind of press it in, and then I'm going to go in here and underneath that contour. And for highlight, I'm going to go into my Anastasia contour kit. Well, I'm going to go into my Anastasia glow kit, and I'm going to use the shade Mimosa here. And I'm going to keep this in zone 2, in between the nose. Oh, I forgot how much I love this highlighter. Okay, so from the front, this is my face without lashes or anything. And this is my contour on the side here, contour and highlight here, and this is it here. Now on this side of my face, you can tell that this is a bit more angular. It's angled down. It's kind of like set down, angled down, so it's kind of just here. This one is kind of like angled a bit more to my face, and it kind of lifts my face up. So I think I'm gonna try this a lot more because I really like the way this contour came out. It looks very, it fits my face, and I think that's what the important part is when it comes to that zone 1, 2, and 3 situation. I think that's actually really important. Now that I look at it, it looks really nice. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or you learned something, or maybe if you try the golden ratio, just tag me in the picture on Instagram or anywhere, Twitter, and let me know what you guys think. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.